First, find a quiet, calm space where you won't be disturbed. Once you've done that, make sure you find a position which is perfect for you right now. You can either sit or lie down, whichever you prefer. Once you've gotten settled into a comfortable position, you can let your body loosen up. And when you feel that you're ready, you can slowly close your eyes. Inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, noticing how the breath moves in and out of your body, how it's making it expand and contract in perfect harmony with the breath. Notice how your body is feeling. Do you feel any tension present in your body right now? Send your breath to the areas that are tense, fueling the breath with your loving intent, allowing it to heal you and refresh you. You can gently tense the area as you inhale and relax it as you exhale, feeling how the pressure is gradually being dissolved, how the weight is being lifted. Breath by breath, you are letting go of the tension, returning to a natural state of stillness and relaxation. You may notice that your attention is shifting away from the breath from time to time. Know that it's okay when you notice that your mind has strayed. Gently bring your attention back to the breath, taking note of the physical sensation of the breath as it moves through your body. Forgiveness means knowing that there is strength in letting go. It means knowing that as you learn to forgive and let go, you are able to discover peace within yourself. First, take a moment to think about the things you haven't been able to forgive, whether it's something you've done or someone else's actions. For now, just sit still, bringing all your emotions to the surface, allowing them to become acknowledged and healed, knowing that for the difficult feelings to be resolved, they first need your loving and compassionate attention. As you breathe in, imagine you're expanding your inner space, making room for compassion and understanding to enter into your being. As you breathe out, imagine that you're releasing all the pressure, the pain, the unexpressed emotions. By giving yourself the space to mindfully sit with the uncomfortable thoughts, you are freeing yourself from their weight. You are freeing yourself from the limitations they carry as you gain the strength to remain peaceful even when faced with them. Breathe, welcoming forgiveness, welcoming peace. Breathe, releasing the weight, letting go of all the pent-up pressure, knowing that you can choose beyond the pain. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes, feeling how the weight is being released, acknowledging the feeling of relief you've awakened within you.